Welcome back to our scientific names series. Snakes are some of the most fascinating animals on Earth. They come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, and each one has a unique scientific name used by scientists around the world. In this video, let's learn the scientific names of 20 amazing snakes and discover some surprising facts about each one. Aster Basics. King Cobra. Its scientific name is Ophiophagus hanna. The name Ophiophagus means snake eater. King cobras often hunt and eat other snakes, including venomous ones. Black Mamba. Scientists call it Dendroaspis polylepis. Despite its name, the black mamba is usually gray or olive-colored. Its name comes from the dark color inside its mouth. Green Anaconda. In science, it is called Eunectes murinus. Anacondas spend so much time in water that their eyes and nostrils sit high on their heads like a crocodile's. Burmese Python. The scientific name of the Burmese python is Python bivittatus. These giant snakes have heat-sensing pits that help them detect warm-blooded animals even in darkness. Ball python. Its scientific name is Python regius. When frightened, a ball python curls itself into a tight ball and hides its head in the center. Reticulated Python. Scientists know it as Malayopython reticulatus. The word reticulated refers to the beautiful net-like pattern covering its body. Boa constrictor. In science, it is called boa constrictor. It is one of the few animals whose English and the scientific name are same. Boa constrictors can sense tiny changes in temperature, helping them locate prey at night. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. The scientific name of this snake is Crotalus adamantius. Its famous rattle is made of interlocking segments that are added each time the snake sheds its skin. Western diamondback rattlesnake. Its scientific name is Crotalus atrox. These snakes can sometimes remain perfectly still for hours while waiting for prey to pass by. Timber rattlesnake. Scientists call it Crotalus horridus. Timber rattlesnakes often return to the same winter den year after year. Coral snake. In science, it is called Micrurus fulvius. Its bright colors serve as a warning signal that helps other animals recognize and avoid it. Copperhead. The scientific name of the copperhead is Agkistrodon contortrix. Young copperheads have bright yellow tail tips that they wiggle like tiny worms to attract prey. Cottonmouth. Its scientific name is Agkistrodon piscivorus. When threatened, a cottonmouth may open its mouth wide, showing the bright white lining inside. King snake. Scientists know it as Lampripeltis getula. King snakes are famous for eating other snakes, including some venomous species. Corn snake. In science, it is called Pantherophis guttatus. Corn snakes are excellent climbers and can often be found exploring trees and barns. Garter snake. The scientific name of the garter snake is Thamnophis sertalis. Garter snakes sometimes gather in huge groups during winter to stay protected from the cold. Milk snake. Its scientific name is Lampripeltis triangulum. Long ago, people mistakenly believed milk snakes drank milk from cows, which is how they got their name. Rat snake. Scientists call it Pantherophis obsoletus. Rat snakes are excellent climbers and can scale trees, walls, and even rough building surfaces. Hognose snake. In science, it is called Heterodon platyrrhinos. When frightened, a hognose snake may pretend to be dead by rolling onto its back. Indian cobra. The scientific name of the Indian cobra is Naja naja. Many Indian cobras have a distinctive spectacle-shaped marking on the back of their hood. Fantastic job! We learned the scientific names of 20 incredible snakes from around the world. Which snake had the most interesting scientific name? And which snake fact surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to watch the next video in our Scientific Names series, where we'll learn about the scientific names of some insects and their amazing facts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.